A family of 4 is now without a home after fire destroyed their house early Sunday morning. A man known by the family is being accused of involvement in the fire. Details from Dwayne Anderson.
Karen Smith looks on in despair. On the eve of Christmas, her holiday cheer gone up in smoke. Her one-bedroom house in Reading, St. Elizabeth reduced to rubble along with all the contents. The blaze happened sometime after 2 Sunday morning.
I took up my phone and come out. And by the time I come out, I see fire, I run out, and I ball out, and call out in here. And I lose everything, and nothing else.
Loss due to the fire is estimated at over $400,000. It will be very hard to recover, given 3 children also lost all their belongings.
Even if the one we're going to school now, no khaki, no shoes. If somebody out there could help her with something, we send back the little boy to school January. And the baby, no clothes for the baby. If somebody could help.
A unit from the Santa Cruz Fire Station responded and carried out cooling down operations. No one was injured in the blaze. An investigation is being conducted to determine if the fire may have been an act of arson.
She did her grand market last night and she called 2 times late night and said, give him trouble down with Santa and give him lick him in the face, and the other guy have to help to take him off her. Take off him off her. If one of them maybe should have did. But you guys say I'm gonna kill her. So it's like he come now for burn on your house to kill her in her house. So, you know, feel bad over that.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.